if you're a great student, you're going to attend. You're going to ask questions. What makes a great student? You know what? After your class review is over, you're asking questions. A bad student is someone just here for fun, just here to say it's cool. You know what I'm saying? When you don't apply yourself, you don't take advantage of what's in front of you, that doesn't make sense to any of us here at Max Music. So, that's my thoughts. Look, you don't have to do this, all right? We don't have to take our actual personal time to do extra work for you and with you. If you have a studio who's willing to work with you, you know what I mean? You should be asking, yo, when can I come in? How many hours can I get? Hey, I had a problem on lesson 7. When can you help me with that? That's a great student. Someone who is, I'm going to say, aggressive in a way. That's my